my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to manage browsing history on Google Chrome in website in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the Google Chrome. So here open this. Here I will go to the settings. So here the settings and history. So if I will click here, I will get lots of things. So here the recent tab, how many tabs I have used, or history here we can use from it, or Control H we can check. So click this. So I have used this browsing site last Sunday, June 13, 2024, as well as it has been seen the time schedule, when, which time I have used these things. In this way we can check the Google Chrome story. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.